So last time we can completed the chapter number 12 in class 11, which is some basic concepts of organic chemistry and techniques. In this chapter we can complete the electronic effects, we can complete the IUPAC nomenclature, we can complete the isomerism. In this chapter the last portion which is remaining for us is a purification techniques. Clear? Several purification techniques and identification techniques are given in the last portion, but this techniques is not very important from the point of view of exams. These techniques are discussed in our classrooms. Clear? So we can discuss in our classrooms. એટલે કે જ્યારે તમે આવશો સ્કૂલે ત્યારે આપણે ક્લાસરૂમની અંદર એ ટેકનિક્સને ડિસ્કસ કરશું, એને આપણે રીડ કરશું, ભણશું. અત્યારે આપણે એને સ્કીપ કરીએ છીએ, બરાબર? એન્ડ નાઉ we can start the new chapter, chapter number 13, hydrocarbon. Chapter number 13, હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન્સ. જે પ્યુરિફિકેશન અને આઇડેન્ટિફિકેશન ટેકનિક આપી છે એની કોઈ ચિંતા કરવાની જરૂર નથી, બહુ સિમ્પલ છે, રીડ કરવાથી કે વાંચવાથી થઈ જાય એવી છે. તો ક્લાસરૂમની અંદર આપણે જ્યારે મળશું ત્યારે ફરીથી એને ડિસ્કસ કરશું, બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. અને અત્યારે now we can start the new chapter, chapter number 13, class 11, hydrocarbons. Generally the compound which is made up of a hydrogen and carbon is known as hydrocarbon, which we can discuss in a class 11, chapter number 12. The organic compound which is made up of only and only carbon and hydrogen. The compound which can have only two elements, carbon and hydrogen, is known as hydrocarbon. Clear? Now there are main three types of hydrocarbon. There are main three types of hydrocarbon: alkane, alkene and alkyne. Alkane, alkene and alkyne. What is the general formula of alkane, alkene and alkyne? It can have CnH2n plus 2. Here CnH2n, here CnH2n minus 2. It is the general formulas of alkane, alkene and alkyne. CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n and CnH2n minus 2. Clear? And if we can have some examples, methane, ethane, it is the examples of alkane. Alkene, CH2 double bond CH2, CH3, CH double bond CH2, it is the examples of alkene. It can have it can have all carbon, singly bonded all carbon. It can have minimum one carbon-carbon double bond. It can have carbon-carbon triple bond. જો કોઈ પણ ઓર્ગેનિક મોલેક્યુલની અંદર કે કમ્પાઉન્ડની અંદર બધા કાર્બન-કાર્બન સિંગલ બોન્ડ હોય તો ઇટ ઇઝ આલ્કેન. If at least one carbon-carbon double bond is present, then it is alkene, and if one triple bond is present, then it is alkyne. Clear? That is saturated hydrocarbon. Alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, while alkene and alkyne is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Clear? Saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, while alkene and alkynes is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. In the last portion of the chapter we can also discuss arenes, which is aromatic hydrocarbons. Friends, in this chapter we can complete most of portion in class 11, chapter number 12, like IUPAC nomenclatures, isomerisms. So remaining portions are discussed in these chapters or in these lectures. Clear? So up to preparation of alkane we can complete it. You can read it, you can practice it. Up to the preparation of alkane we can complete the chapter. So in these lectures we can start with preparation of alkane directly. Clear? એની આગળનો જે કાંઈ પોર્શન છે આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 12 ની અંદર કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હોય, તો ડિસ્કશન આપણે એની અંદર નહીં કરીએ. આઈયુપીએસસી નોમેનક્લેચર છે, આઇસોમેરિઝમ છે, આઇડેન્ટિફિકેશન છે. ક્લિયર? તો નાવ વી કેન સ્ટાર્ટ ડાયરેક્ટલી વિથ પ્રિપેરેશન ઓફ આલ્કેન. આપણે એને ઉડાડ્યું નથી મિત્રો, એને સ્કીપ પણ નથી કર્યું. વી કેન સ્ટડી ઇટ. તો અત્યારે એને રિપીટ કરવાનો કોઈ મિનિંગ નથી. ક્લિયર? સો વી કેન સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ ધ preparation method of alkanes in this lecture. So you can remember it, alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, alkene and alkyne is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. We can discuss alkane, alkene, alkyne and aromatic hydrocarbons, arenes in this chapter. First we can discuss about alkanes, preparation, chemical and physical properties and chemical properties, clear, chemical reactions. Then we can discuss alkene, then we can alkyne and then arenes. So we can start with the preparation of alkane. So we can start with preparation of alkanes. Generally occurrence of alkane from the nature is two main source of alkanes to give the alkanes from nature. First one is petroleum and second one is a natural gas. There are main two source which can have alkane from nature, which is petroleum and natural gas. What is the main characteristic of petroleum? Main source of alkane containing up to 40 carbon atom, means large chain containing alkanes are obtained from petroleum up to 40 carbon. It is a generally available in liquid hydrocarbon. Generally petroleum ની અંદરથી આપણને જે હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન મળશે લિક્વિડ ફોર્મમાં હશે અને આ લાર્જ ચેઇન વાળા હશે અપ ટુ 40 કાર્બન. What is the characteristic of natural gas? It contain lower alkanes, it contain higher alkanes, it contain lower alkanes. It contain about 80% methane, only 1 carbon, 10% ethane, 2 carbon and 10% is the mixture of higher member, clear. It also contain a small amount of H2, N2 and carbon dioxide. Now we can start the particular methods to give a alkane, clear. It is the occurrence or source of hydrocarbon, petroleum and natural gas. Now we can start the preparation methods. So the first method for the preparation of alkane is by hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the method? By hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons means we can use alkene and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes as a starting material, clear. So it is a hydrogenation process. First of all, what is the hydrogenation process? The process in which we can add dihydrogen or hydrogen is known as hydrogenation process, clear. This process is called hydrogenation. What is hydrogenation? The process or the reaction in which we can add hydrogen or dihydrogen atom is known as hydrogenation reaction. And this type of hydrogenation, from unsaturated hydrocarbon we can get the alkane, is also known as Sabatier and Sanderson's reaction. SABATIER and SENDERENS reaction, clear. This is also known as Sabatier and Sanderson's reactions, clear. So addition reaction of hydrogen or hydrogenation of alkane and alkene is also known as Sabatier and Sanderson's reaction. What is the reaction? Suppose if we can have an alkene, general formula is CnH2n. We can add H2 in the presence of some catalyst like platinum, palladium or nickel, or in the presence of Raney nickel we can get alkane CnH2n plus 2. Here what is the reaction? Suppose it is the surface of metal, whatever it is, platinum, palladium or nickel. Here first of all hydrogen is absorbed. So dihydrogen is divided into the H and H elements. First of all we can have H2, which is a molecule. Now it is absorbed on a surface of a metal. It is divided into two parts, H and H, which is atom. It is a molecule, it is atom. Now it is reactive and these hydrogens are added in the unsaturation point, means double bond ke triple bond hoy yahi add thai, clear. So what is the role of metal? The role of metal is that it can divide or it can absorb the hydrogen and convert into the molecular form into the atomic form. Atomic form is very reactive, clear. So it is a role. Yes, platinum and palladium is a reactive metals. So in the presence of platinum and palladium, hydrogenation takes place at a room temperature, but nickel is a less reactive as compared to platinum and palladium. So in the presence of nickel or Raney nickel, temperature is required up to 473 to 573 Kelvin, clear. If we can have a platinum and palladium as a catalyst, reaction is same but it carried out at a room temperature. But if we can have a catalyst as a nickel, we can use higher temperature like 473 to 573. આના માટે high temperature ની requirement રહેશે નહીં. આ તો RTA કામ આપશે room temperature, clear. કોણ? Platinum and palladium. Now we can convert it into the alkane. Suppose addition કેવી રીતના કરવાનું તો કે ડબલ બોન્ડ ને રિમૂવ કરવાનો અને બે સાઇડ બે કાર્બન ઉપર શું લગાડી દેવાનો H. It is hydrogenation. If we can have ethene, we can carry out the hydrogenation in the presence of platinum or palladium or nickel or any nickel. Therefore we can get the ethane. Clear? So we can use also this type of catalyst, PD/C or PT/C. It means that platinum or palladium which is absorbed on the surface of charcoal. Platinum or palladium which is absorbed on the surface of charcoal. It is also used as a catalyst. And we can also use B2H6 in the presence of THF. We can use this, or we can use this, or we can use this, or we can use this in the reduction process or hydrogenation process. PTO2, it is known as Adams catalyst. Here also we can use it. This or this or this or this. Reaction is same. Clear? B2H6 in THF, tetrahydrofuran. It is a one type of solvent. Next, suppose CH3 CH double bond CH2. We can use H2 and same reagent, or આમાંથી કોઈ પણ આવી રીતના આપી દઈએ કે PT. Clear? So we can get CH3 CH2 CH3 because we can break down the bond. શું કરવાનું બોન્ડ ને બ્રેક કરવાનો બે સાઈડ એક એક હાઇડ્રોજન એડ કરી દેવાનો CH3 CH2 CH3. Clear? We can get propane from propene. Clear? So it is the hydrogenation of alkene. Now we can think hydrogenation of alkyne. Here we can have a CnH2n minus 2. We can add here we can add only 1 moles of H because we can reduce only and only 1 pi bond. Here we can reduce 2 pi bond. Therefore we can use 2 moles of hydrogen. Clear? Here we can use 2 moles of hydrogen in the presence of this catalyst PT, PD, Ni, or PD/C, PT/C, or B2H6 in the presence of THF or PTO2, Adams catalyst. Clear? So the reaction is same. We can get the alkane. If we can have a triple bond, first we can break one bond and we can add 1,1H2. Then we can break second bond and further we can add 1,1H2. Therefore we can get the CH3 CH3 ethane. ડબલ બોન્ડ કે સિંગલ બોન્ડ દેખાય એને બ્રેક કરીને બે કાર્બન ઉપર એક એક હાઇડ્રોજન એડ કરવાનો અને હાઇડ્રોજનેશન કર્યું કહેવાય બરાબર. ઇન ધ પ્રેઝન્સ ઓફ નિકલ વી કેન રિક્વાયર 473 to 573 Kelvin temperature, but in the presence of platinum and palladium we can require room temperature. Clear? So next, ethene. Suppose here we can have a CH3 C triple bond CH. It is nothing but propine. We can reduce it with the help of 2 hydrogens. So we can reduce both pi bonds and we can get CH3 CH2 CH3 propane. Clear? This process is known as hydrogenation, and particularly it is known as Sabatier and Sanderson's reaction. Sabatier and Sanderson's reaction. Now the question is that, suppose if anyone can ask that, yes, CH triple bond CH, we can add only 1 hydrogen in the presence of platinum. We can get CH2 double bond CH2 because 1 bond is removed and here H2 and H2 are there. Further we can get 1 H2 in the presence of PT, PD or Ni. We can get CH3 CH3. એટલે કે જો 1 મોલ એન્ટર કર્યો હોય તો આલ્કાઇન માંથી આલ્કીન જનરેટ થાય અને ફરીથી 1 મોલ એડ થાય તો આલ્કેન જનરેટ થાય. અહીં આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ 2 મોલ એડ કરી દીધા છે. ક્લિયર? Now the question is that alkene and alkyne both give hydrogenation reaction or Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. The question is that from these two, which is a more reactive towards this type of hydrogenation? Which is a more reactive towards this type of hydrogenation? Reactivity towards hydrogenation. Therefore we can say that alkene is a more reactive towards hydrogenation than alkane. मतलब કે reaction તો hydrogenation આ પણ આપશે પણ એમાંથી fast reaction કોણ આપશે? Alkyne. Why? Because the shape of alkyne is like that and the shape of alkene is like that. Trigonal planar, it is linear. Now if we can add the hydrogen, it is directly added to this unsaturation point. Now here if we can add hydrogen here, then it can overcome the steric hindrance of these hydrogens. and then after it can add. So it is a fast reaction as compared to this. Clear? मतलब સ્ટેરિક હિન્ડન્સનો સામનો અહીંયા એને નહીં કરવો પડે, ડાયરેક્ટ એડ થઈ શકશે અનસેચ્યુરેશન પોઈન્ટ ઉપર, જ્યારે અહીંયા એને હાઇડ્રોજનના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનીય ક્લાઉડને વટાવીને એની અંદર એન્ટર થવું પડશે, મતલબ સ્ટેરિક હિન્ડન્સ નડશે. તો આવા હાઇડ્રોજનેશનમાં ફાસ્ટ રિએક્શન કોણ આપે, આલ્કેન કે આલ્કાઇન? ધ આન્સર ઇઝ આલ્કાઇન. વાય? બીકોઝ there is no steric hindrance as there is less steric hindrance as compared to alkene. Clear? So fast reactions is given by alkyne, then alkene. Clear? Towards the hydrogenation. Now we can discuss some stereochemical points of this reaction or preparation method. Clear? Now we can discuss the stereochemistry of these reactions. This type of hydrogenation is always a sign addition. What do you mean by sign addition? This type of hydrogenation is always a sign addition. What do you mean by sign addition? Sign addition means hydrogen is added in the same side of the molecule. Clear? Now suppose if we can have a molecule like that, CHH double bond CHH, we can use this reagent. We remember that it can give a sign addition of hydrogen. Sign addition means both the hydrogens are added to the same side. If one is added towards the viewer, also second one is also added towards the viewer. It is not like that, one is here, second one is here. If both hydrogens are added from the different side, then it is anti-addition. Anti-addition. But this reagent always gives sign addition, means both hydrogen are attached from the same plane, from the same side. Clear? Now suppose if we can have a structure like that, cyclohexane ring double bond CH3, we can use this reaction, it can give sign addition, and these both molecules are symmetrical. It can give also a sign addition, means CH3 જે પ્લેનમાં હતા એના કરતાં ડિફરન્ટ પ્લેનની અંદર જે પ્લેનમાં હાઇડ્રોજન એન્ટર થશે એ જ પ્લેનમાં કોણ એન્ટર થશે, સેકન્ડ હાઇડ્રોજન. मतलब કે આ જો અવે ફ્રોમ ધ વ્યુઅર એડ થયો તો આ પણ અવે ફ્રોમ ધ વ્યુઅર એડ થયો, मतलब કે આ આવો હશે અત્યારે. ક્લિયર? So remember that in symmetrical alkene it is a cis or trans. In symmetrical alkene, if it is a cis and it gave a sign addition, then we can get the meso compound, because these both are meso. Write down, because it is not optically active, it is optically inactive. This is also optically inactive. Clear? So remember that symmetrical alkene hoy, cis form hoy, sign addition ape to meso compound male, optically inactive hoy. Clear? If we can have a transform and we can give the sign addition, then it can give a racemic mixture, which is a pair of enantiomer, which we can discuss here. Clear? And if we can have unsymmetrical alkene, like that, we can discuss, and then we can give the sign addition or anti-addition, whatever. It can give always racemic mixture. Remember that. Symmetrical માં જોવાનું, જો cis form હોય અને sign addition થાય તો meso પ્રાપ્ત થાય, we can get the meso. Trans હોય અને sign addition થાય તો racemic mixture આપણને મળશે, આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરશું હમણાં. ક્લિયર? And unsymmetrical માં તો કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી, sign હોય કે anti addition હોય, it can give always racemic mixture, cis હોય કે trans હોય. Clear? It is an unsymmetrical molecule. We can have a cis form because both CH3 are on the same side. And we can give the sign addition because it gives sign addition. What is the product? First we can write these two carbon. Now we can write this PH here and this C2H5 here, and this both CH3 on the same side. Yes or no? So we can get here hydrogen and here hydrogen. That is the product, because sign addition means both hydrogens are connected from the same side. Yes, also one product is there. If we can connect CH3 here, then hydrogen is attached here, but these two are identical. Check with R and S. Clear? Now it is an unsymmetrical alkene, sign addition, cis form, we can get the racemic mixture. Clear? Because it is a pair of enantiomer. Clear? Sorry, it is not identical, it is a pair of enantiomer, because it is the perfect mirror images of each other. This is the mirror image of this molecule. Clear? So we can get the pair of enantiomer. Ani perfect mirror image છે, જો આની perfect mirror image. It is not identical, sorry. It is a mirror image. Therefore, these two are the pair of enantiomer, and we can get the racemic mixture. 50% is this and 50% is this. Clear? Now we can have a molecule like that. It is a C double bond C. We can have a transform. C double bond C. We can write here a pH. It is a trans. We can write here a pH. Here CH3 and here CH3. Because we can draw the transform. Clear? We can erase one double bond. One hydrogen is attached here and one hydrogen is attached here. It is also a sign addition, but it is a transform. Clear? If we can have a transform, we can give the sign addition. तो हाइड्रोजन कई जगह एड થાય તો કે જે સ્પેસ હોય ને એડ થાય. એક આ સાઈડ એડ થયો, એક આ સાઈડ એડ થયો. યાદ રાખજો મિત્રો. ક્લિયર? જ્યાં સ્પેસ હોય ને એડ થાય. સાઇન એડિશન નો મતલબ જ છે કે જ્યાં જગ્યા ખાલી હશે ને એડ થઈ જશે સેમ સાઈડ થી. ક્લિયર? એન્ડ સેકન્ડ પોસિબિલિટી ઇઝ ધેટ pH CCPH. If methyl is this side and this methyl is this side, then hydrogen and hydrogen. This is also a perfect mirror images of each other. Therefore, it is also a pair of enantiomer. Clear? So it can we can note it, and it is additional point. Suppose कि आउ कहवामां आवे कि this gives the hydrogenation reaction with the this reagent. We can get the how many product? We can get two product because one is its enantiomer. And both products are optically active. Clear? It is advanced. It is the point of view of JEE main and NEET. Clear? Now we can start the second methods. Now the second method is by the reduction of haloalkanes. If we can have haloalkanes Rx, we can give the reduction reaction and we can get the RH alkane. Clear? Generally for this conversion we can use some catalyst or reagent. It is like that. First of all, we can use zinc plus dilute HCl or zinc plus acetic acid or zinc copper couple in a ethanol. It is zinc copper couple in a ethanol. These all reagents are give alkane from haloalkane. Clear? We can use this and this. It is LiAlH4. Lithium aluminium hydride. We can write in the form of charges Li plus and AlH4 minus 1. NaBH4. Sodium borohydride, Na plus BH4 minus, PH3 Sn plus H minus. It is nothing but TPH. And the full form is triphenyl tin hydride. Hi oblique red phosphorus. Aluminium amalgam in ethanol and zinc plus NaOH. This all reagent gives the reduction reaction of haloalkane to give alkane. Clear? So we can discuss some examples. If we can have a CH3Cl haloalkane, we can reduce in the presence of zinc or dilute HCl. We can get HCl plus CH4. Yes. જે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ મેથડ જોઈ એની એક લિમિટેશન હતી મિત્રો કે એમાં મિથેનને સિન્થેસાઇઝ ન કરી શકાય બીકોઝ તમે એમાં ડબલ બોન્ડ કે ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડથી આલ્કેન મેળવતા હતા. તો મિનિમમમાં મિનિમમ 2 કાર્બન હોય ત્યારે તો ડબલ બોન્ડ કે ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ જનરેટ થાય. તો મિનિમમમાં મિનિમમ જે આલ્કેન જનરેટ થાય એ ઇથેન હોય. We cannot generate methane from hydrogenation. So here we can generate methane. These all remaining all are the same. પછી અહીંયા BR હોય આ હોય તે હોય તો તમે જોઈ શકો. અહીંયા એક લિમિટેશન છે. Not use RF. We cannot use starting material as a RF, means fluoride ne apne use na kari sake because it gives a very fast reaction and these reactions are not generally controlled in the reaction. It can give the explosions in the laboratories, therefore we cannot use RF. Clear? This reaction is also carried out with the help of PD. RH plus H2PD gives RH plus HX. Now some exceptions are there. If we can have a primary and secondary haloalkanes, means that if halogen is attached to the carbon and this carbon is directly attached to the only and only one carbon, then it is primary. If halogen is attached to the carbon and this carbon is connected to another 2 carbon, therefore it is secondary. And if a halogen is attached to the carbon and this carbon is attached to the another 3 carbon, then it is tertiary. Clear? પ્રાઇમરી એન્ડ સેકન્ડરી હેલો આલ્કેન્સ હોય અને તમે LiAlS4 થી રિડક્શન કરો ઇન ધ પ્રેઝન્સ ઓફ ડ્રાય ઓર્ગેનિક સોલ્વન્ટ ઇટ કેન ગીવ alkane. Yes, CH3CH2Cl primary because this carbon is connected to only one carbon. If you can give the reduction with the help of LiAlS4 you can get the alkane CH3CH3 because here Cl is removed we can form HCl. Clear? LiCl, sorry. Next, if we can have a tertiary haloalkane and we can reduce with the help of lithium aluminum hydride, it get not give the reduction reaction, it can give the elimination reaction and we can get alkene. Suppose we can have a tertiary haloalkane, this halogen is attached to the carbon and this carbon is attached to 3 carbon, therefore it is tertiary. We can reduce with the help of LiAlS4, we can get the product like that, CH3C CH3 double bond CH2, અહીંયાથી H અને અહીંયાથી Cl અને અહીંયાથી એક H એલિમિનેટ થયા અને આપણને મળી પ્રોડક્ટ આ રીતના આલ્કીન. ક્લિયર? સો તો આવા કેસમાં શું કરવું? સપોઝ કે આપણે કહ્યું કે ટર્સરી હેલો આલ્કેન હોય અને આપણે એને રિડ્યુસ કરવો હોય આલ્કેનમાં તો આપણે LiAlS4 રિડ્યુસિંગ એજન્ટ તો યુઝ ન કરી શકીએ, ત્યારે આપણે કયા એજન્ટ યુઝ કરવા પડે? પર્ટિક્યુલર NaBH4 or TPS, ટ્રાયફિનાઇલ ટીન હાઇડ્રાઇડ, સોડિયમ બોરોહાઇડ્રાઇડ એન્ડ ટ્રાયફિનાઇલ tin hydride. If we can have a tertiary haloalkane like that, CH3CH3CH3CCl, we can reduce with the help of NaBH4 or TPH, we can get CH3CH3CH3 alkane. અહીંયાથી શું નીકળી ગયું? Cl અને અહીંયા હાઇડ્રોજન એડ થઈ ગયો. Clear? So it is the second method to prepare the alkane from haloalkane. Clear? Now we can think about the third reaction, which is by Wood's reaction. It is a name reaction. If any reaction has a particular name, then we can say that it is a name reaction. Clear? So first of all, what is the starting material? Starting material is alkyl halide. 2 moles of alkyl halide, which is same or different, which may be same or different. આપણે આલ્કાઇલ હેલાઇડ લેશું સ્ટાર્ટિંગ મટીરિયલ તરીકે. એ આલ્કાઇલ હેલાઇડ સેમ પણ હોઈ શકે અને ડિફરન્ટ પણ હોઈ શકે. ક્લિયર? And in the presence of sodium metal and dry ether, remember that here no presence of moisture, it is free from moisture. જો આમાં મોઇસ્ચર હોય, H2O ની વેપર હોય તો રિએક્શન થાય નહીં, it is a free from moisture. In the presence of dry ether and sodium we can get the alkane and 2 NX is removed. જો આને આવી રીતના આપણે અત્યારે સેટ કરીને લખ્યું હોય, નહીંતર આમ હોય ખરેખર કે 2 times RX plus 2 times sodium dry ether, it gives RR plus 2 times NaX. આપણે એને અરેન્જ કર્યું કે અહીંયાથી એક X, 2 સોડિયમ, અહીંયાથી એક X નીકળીને 2 NX મળે અને 2 R કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડથી કમ્બાઇન થઈને શું બનાવી દઈએ? આલ્કેન. ક્લિયર? સપોઝ if we can have a same type of alkyl halide, CH3I and CH3I, it is also like that, 2 times CH3I plus 2 Na, then the product is that in the presence of dry ether without presence of moisture. Methyl iodide in the presence of sodium and dry ether gives ethane, CH3CH3. One CH3 is from this side and one CH3 from this side, and these all are removed as 2Na. It is also known as coupling reaction because 2 parts are coupled with each other. Clear? That is a Wood's reaction. Next, it is a characteristic of this reaction. Generally, we can generate the product with even number of carbon atoms, and generally it is useful for the preparation of symmetrical alkene. Why symmetrical? Because both parts are same. Clear? And suppose if we can have 2 different alkyl halides, then we can get the 3 product. First product, this part is combined with this part, मतलब કે આ જ મોલેક્યુલ પોતાની સાથે કમ્બાઇન થાય તો ફર્સ્ટ રિએક્શન શું મળશે આપણને? CH3CH3 plus 2 NaBr. Clear? Now these are self-condensed, self-coupled, C2H5C2H5 plus 2 NaBr, and third product is first part from this side and second part from this side and plus 2 NaBr. So if we can have a it is a it is a major product, and these two are the minor product, but this is generated. If we can have two different alkyl halide and we can carry out the Woods reaction, we can get the three product. These two are minor, this is a major. Clear? So this reaction is also known as coupling reaction, Woods reaction. It is carried out in the presence of sodium metal. In the dry ether, no presence of moisture. Generally, it is useful for the preparation of symmetrical alkene. It also always generates even number of carbon atoms. It is not useful for the synthesis of odd number of carbon atom containing products, and some limitations are there. Limitations is that these reaction fails with tertiary alkyl halide. This reaction is also fails with tertiary alkyl halides. So in this lecture we can discuss three preparation methods of the alkane. First one is Sabatier-Saint-Mary reaction, second one is reduction of alkyl halide, and third method is Woods reaction. In the next lectures we can also discuss some another preparation methods. So ત્યાં સુધી આ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેજો મિત્રો. આજના માટે આટલું, વધારે next time.